Okay, I'm fixing to shoot the Excalibur Matrix 380. I'm going to shoot 2 bolts, an 18-inch bolt with a 150 grain field tip. Then I'm going to shoot the 20-inch bolt with a 125 grain field tip. I'm shooting this center target. I've got 3 set up there. It's going to be a 120-yard shot. I got 3 targets set up. I'm shooting the center target. I'm zooming in to show you there's no bolts or anything in it. I've been hitting it at 120. I'm going to shoot 2 shots at it. Okay, so no bolts in that center target. Gonna back her back out. I'm trying to be my own camera crew, spotter, shooter, all that good stuff. Put the camera halfway in the distance here. I'm about 72 yards or so up the driveway. Now I'm gonna turn her where I'm shooting from. Okay, zoom in. Up the driveway. Spot and scope is at 100 yards right there. Can you zoom in? I got my tack pack and got my bipod and everything on the crossbow, so there it is. And that's where I'm shooting from, right there. Back it up just a smidgen. That's 120 yards total. That's the only way I could show the target and be able to zoom in, take the shot. 120 yards. Okay, now we'll zoom back out and go down and check out the target. Okay, so 120 yards total. I'm at 72 here. And now I got the, like I said, I did the 18-inch with a 150 grain field tip and did the 20-inch with a 125 grain field tip. And I bought the Excalibur tack pack and put the bipod on it. Put a cheaper than dirt, little cheap laser and flashlight on it on the Picatinny rail. And also put my quiver attachment on there. And it added total with the optimizer and everything like that. It added a total of 12 pounds. I've got the optimizer on it and the tack pack, but there's the shots on the money at 120 yards in the chest. Now for distance, the small fletchings there, that's the 18-inch right there on the borderline of the blue and the yellow, and then the 20-inch with a 125 grain field tip is right there. And there's your center. That was where I hit it 100 yards. Okay, so on the money at 120, I'll be moving to 150. Excalibur Equinox, or correction, Excalibur Matrix 380 at 120 yards. 18-inch 150 grain and 20-inch 125 grain.